This is Sky, and today I'm going to show you how to style your holiday table in 5 minutes. Here now are 3 fully decorated tables to choose from, along with 5 place settings. For a sweet and simple citrus table, here's what you'll need: a white tablecloth, off-white or cream-colored linen runner, white napkins, white plates, white candles, clementine oranges, eucalyptus and/or assorted greenery, fall leaves. The key to keeping things simple is to try and find items you already have around and outside your home to style your table. Then add bought decorations where needed. Here's a quick look at how we created our Cutie Clementine name tag. Click into the link below for supplies and more how-to details. Now on to styling our table. First, lay out a white tablecloth. White is a wonderful way to allow nature to pop. Center the table runner onto your tablecloth. Runners add texture and a special focus to your table. Add candles. We paired medium and small ones together for variation. Add eucalyptus and greenery. Now add clementines. Add plates, napkins, and silverware. Add leaves to plates, then your cute Cuties Clementine name tag. Candles always add drama and specialness to a meal, so light them up. Here's what you'll need to create our gourds and flowers table: a white tablecloth, orange runner, colorful napkins, white plates, white candles, mini pumpkins and gourds, fresh flowers, assorted nuts and shells, silver glass candle holders, blue ribbon, unique wooden utensil holder or box. Here's a quick look at how we created our bow tie napkin holder and name tag. Click in the link below for supplies and more how-to details. On to styling. Lay out your white tablecloth. Center table runner onto your tablecloth. Now center your wooden box or utensil holder onto your runner. Begin with rice or pasta for filler, then add assorted nuts as a unique decorative touch. Add flowers. Add mini pumpkins and gourds. Start from the center, then outward to the ends. This will allow you to layer evenly. Add candles. Place them amongst your pumpkins and gourds. Add individual flowers amongst the pumpkins, gourds, and candles. Flowers and greenery always add life to ordinary items. Add plates and silverware. Add napkin and nameplate, then light your candles before serving. Here's our cranberry, pomegranate, and artichoke table. You'll need a white tablecloth, wood runner, colorful napkins, white plates, gold chargers, white candles, cranberries, pomegranates, and artichokes, assorted nuts and shells and acorns, eucalyptus and greenery, glass jars, medium tall candles, blue ribbon. Here's a quick look now at how we created our cotton and lace napkin holder, mini I am thankful for twig signage, and cranberry garland. Now on to our final styled table. Lay out a white tablecloth. Center the wooden table runner onto your tablecloth. Any scrap piece of wood will do. It adds such wonderful warmth, texture, and unexpectedness. Add candle and cranberry filled glass jars. Add pomegranates and artichokes. Add cranberry garland. Gosh, there's really no right way to do this. The more haphazard, the better. Add assorted nuts and acorns. Add some eucalyptus greenery for filler. Now place down chargers, plates, and silverware. Add napkins to plates, and I am thankful for twig signage. Then light your candles. For a couple additional place settings, you can create one using an autumn-style plate and fresh sage. This wildflower place setting is wonderful to coordinate with a colorful fall or winter-themed tablecloth. You did it! For more detailed instructions, go to our website. If you'd like to check out more of our doable DIY projects, follow us on Instagram or Pinterest. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos.